Hello, welcome to our video. In this video, we would like to share you tutorial how to show time structure between two dates. Okay, for more clear on this objective, let's go to sheet illustration. Here, we already prepare you two dates. The first date we call start date, and then the second date we call end date. We would like to have how many years between those dates, how many months between those dates, and how many days. Formula that we can use to get those information by using DATEDIF. DATEDIF formula is basically the first information is start date, the second information is end date, and then the third information is the format of information that we would like to have. For example, we would like to have year. Okay, so, oh, sorry, think, okay, yes. This date diff formula have several format. Okay, here the list of format that can be used in date diff formula. The first format is Y. So, if you choose this format, formula will calculate different years between both dates. And the second formula is M for month. So here the formula will generate how many months different between the first date and the second date. The third format is D, showing how many difference of days between both dates. The fourth formula is showing the different passing month from both dates without considering the years. That is why if you see row 4 and row 6 in column H and column G having a different result because in column G it only comparing January and January without considering the year, while in column H it's considering the year between those dates. Okay, the fifth one is year date, YD. It's showing passing day from both date without considering years. Okay, it the explanation between D and YD is quite similar with explanation different in H and G because in column K the format YD the formula does not considering the year. Okay, The last one is MD, which is showing different passing day from both date without considering years and month. That's why all the result is zero because it comparing date 1 versus date 1. Okay, so we can generate all the information that we need. So if you would like to know how many years and how many months and how many days different between two dates, you can use formula DATEDIF with Y format and then combine with DATEDIF with YM format and then DATEDIF with MD format. Okay, that's all for sharing about DATEDIF. If you think that this video is good, please help to subscribe, like, and share to others. Okay, see you in our next video. Goodbye.